In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bills in Bill.com. Let's start from your main Bill.com dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Bills. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage everything related to your unpaid bills and bill history, so it's a good place to get comfortable with. Once you're on the Bills page, you'll notice there are different tabs, such as Unpaid Bills and All Bills. You can use either one to start entering a new bill. On both tabs, you'll see a button that says Enter Bill. Click that to open up a new bill entry form. The button does the same thing regardless of which tab you're on, so choose whichever view you prefer. Now you'll see a form where you can enter your bill details. Start by selecting the vendor. This is the company or person you're paying. If the vendor is already in your system, you can just choose them from the drop-down list. If they aren't there yet, you may need to add them as a new vendor, depending on your permissions and setup. Next, enter the invoice number exactly as it appears on the bill. This helps you avoid duplicates and makes it easier to search for the bill later. Then, enter the total amount of the bill and be sure you double-check the number, especially if there are taxes or additional fees. After that, set the due date. This should match the date shown on the invoice. The due date is important because Bill.com uses it to help you prioritize payments and avoid late fees. You also have the option to attach a document, which is highly recommended. You can either click to upload the invoice file from your computer or simply drag and drop the document into the upload area. Attaching the invoice provides a clear reference for anyone reviewing or approving the bill later. When you're done entering all the details, it's time to save the bill. If you're finished for now, choose Save and Close to save your work and exit the bill screen. If you have more bills to enter, choose Save and Next to save this bill and immediately move on to a new blank bill form. Depending on your permissions and whether the bill requires approval, you may also see an option to Pay. If you select this, Bill.com will save the bill and let you schedule the payment right away, following your existing payment settings and workflow.